This morning it looks like a beautiful morning. It's just under 50 degrees as I get the bike ready and get the hot coffee going. Probably going to be the coolest morning of the year, and we're headed out on the open road. And it's usually about this time of year that a lot of the people that only do warm weather riding, they put their bikes away for the winter, and the park gets a lot emptier than it normally is. But you can't imagine how good that coffee tasted this morning. Whoa. So what is this? Kawasaki Day, huh?
It's all of them.
Look at this, all Kawasaki's. Oh my God. The two amigos. It's a nice fall day. Hey, we're up here really late because I was riding Luciano's bike. Hey! That Ninja is a beauty, believe me. I rode it once with the roads were wet. Today they're beautiful. Beautiful bike. Time for coffee. One of the killer bees was sitting out here eating, and a killer bee took a shot at help! Help! I'm drowning! I'm drowning! I really don't like that coffee. So the only thing left is to head up to Perkins and see if any of the guys are up there. We got a late start today. I got to ride the bike. Beautiful. Kawasaki day. So do you have anything to say about battery maintenance?
It was a hell of a day today.
What a hell of a day, but the battery fried. Oh my God.
It was your battery, wasn't it mine?
Ah, at least I got to ride it before it went bad.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll give you a hand. I got to get my gear to put in the truck. So here's the message from today. Luciano's going to buy a brand new battery. And not that cheap Harbor Freight stuff. Ninja Rescue totally complete. So we're going to get decals sponsored by Harbor Freight batteries. So here's the lesson of the day. Never get a Harbor Freight battery.
It's not Harbor Freight.
Okay, there is no Harbor Freight batteries. We're just kidding. Made in China special. Oh my God. Then I just went into the garage and took out our multiple battery charger, battery tender. We're going to start, it was cold today. We are going to start keeping the batteries on charge, but even a day like today when we had a little issue with Luciano's battery going dead, but he's rescued me in the past. Today it was my turn in the barrel. And that's the good part about motorcycling. You always wind up with some very special friends. Anyway, we're going to be doing some more of the FZR restoration and getting some more rides in before the year ends. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Hey, if you want to see Grandpa Windy, you got to put shoes on. You sure you don't want to? Put some shoes on. I'll be right in. It is getting cold. Too cold to be out here with no shoes. And we're going to play Legos. That's all there is to it. And eat cookies and drink coffee. And man, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. So if there's something we did learn today, it's about battery. Low quality, very inexpensive batteries might not be the best if you ride your bike more than you can push it home. Anyway, we're hooking up our battery tenders. It's that time of year. Actually, something good will come of this is by tomorrow, every battery out here will be fully charged and we'll be ready to go again. And if we, in between the rides, we're going to do some more work on the FZR. So, for the third time, thanks for watching.